Just a couple of quick notes. I've written these two short stories, I suppose, nonfiction, but they're short story length. This one is free on Kindle starting tomorrow, starting Sunday, October 27th, 2024, until Thursday, October 31st. They let me do 5 days, free on Kindle. It's on, Amazon. I also, there's a hearing in my case lawsuit against the state attorney, 12th Circuit in Florida, Sarasota. And it's it's November the 13th, 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And it's open by Zoom. It's open to the public. So I will post that link below this YouTube video, perhaps include an image also. But you need to read the whole order about the rules for Zoom hearings. It's not terribly long. Also, I suppose I should say that a default was entered by the clerk for the Sarasota case because the defendant failed to respond within the time allotted. And so with the clerk's default, I've filed a motion for a final default judgment. And so that the hearing on the November 13th is going to be on that final motion for that final default judgment. Now, all of a sudden the state comes up with a young attorney, they're on board, they're state attorney general's office to, represent the defendant in this matter, a day late and $1 short. Well, I forget what he said, because when a document's non-specific, I just don't have any memory for it. Or something that's rather specific, I almost have a photographic memory for it. But so I did respond to that. I never pass up an opportunity to file in opposition. And so I just said, listen, it was number one that, the default was properly entered by the clerk on such and such a date. He said 20 days had passed, but it was actually 40 days. And then number two was, he said it was insufficiently pled. And I said, no, it was very clearly pled in the original complaint, and that equal protection is the birthright of every citizen. So, there you go. I've already said more than I intended to. In the Escambia circuit, First Circuit, they did find another in-house assistant attorney general, and she filed, which is typical, motion to dismiss. And so I have just just this morning, written opposition to their motion to dismiss, and we'll send that in on today or tomorrow or Monday. So that's it. So public hearing by Zoom on November 13th, and this book free on Kindle, Amazon Kindle, for the next 5 days, starting tomorrow, Sunday, November I already said the date, I forget what it is, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, 31, 2024. Thanks, bye.